I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to
Yes, beats.
Yeah, I'm on citrity. Blessings, some blessings, you're coming.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Saygbah, of course. Let me say it slower. Saygbah. It's an African name, so I love saying it slower, okay? Don't blame me. My name is Saygbah. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, baby, welcome back, okay? I appreciate each and every one of y'all that stop by and watch my video. And it's okay if this is your first time checking out any of my videos. It's okay. We are lovers over here. We don't discriminate. Welcome. I just want to say thank y'all for watching this video because I'm full of myself. Anyhow, into this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to install this wig, okay? It is from HerHair company. The frontal is for my vendor. I just make sure I send the curls to my vendor so she can match it up. So this is the curls. The hair is probably like 4 or 5 bundles. So if you're interested, let me know. I can hook you up. I know this is the hookup channel, okay? We hook each other up. So if you try to look cute and purchase some nice hair, baby, let me put you on, okay? So again, welcome to my channel. This is the lace. Let me bring it closer. This is the hair. If you can see, I over bleached it a little bit. Let me put my hand in the back of it. You know how to do it. This is the, if y'all can see the hairline. I try not to pluck it because it can't pre-pluck. And the thing about these hair, I don't like over plucking it because I be wearing my wigs a lot because I'm a broke bitch. I'm gonna get my money out of these hair, okay? So I rewear my wigs over and over. So usually what I try to do is not over pluck them, because it's like I wash my hair, and when I wash my hair, I'm very rough with things, okay? I'm very rough. I'm a rough girl. I look like I'm a ooh girl, but I'm very rough, okay? But for now, I'm using the it's the Ruby Kiss cream foundation. The shade I'm using is RDF 15. I just put that in my lace to help tint it so that way it can match my skin tone. And due to the fact that the lace is transparent lace, the thing I would tell you, okay, for people like me that don't know much about hair. So if you get a transparent lace, whoo, say it, don't spit it. I think I saw that flying. So the thing about transparent lace is the lace is thinner. You don't have to try so hard to blend it. Like to blend it into your skin. You know, we all know this is real hair, but with the transparent lace, the lace is thinner, so you don't have to do so much to try to blend the lace, especially for those like me that don't really know how to do hair. You don't want to take so long, so I just keep dapping this in here and just like dap it inside of the lace, so like this on the inside of the lace. So for people like me that don't know how to do hair, like we're not good at it, we still learning, you don't want to take so long trying to blend lace, and when you get done, the lace just staring back at you. Now you just looking at it and everybody just looking at you. It's okay sometimes. We all have those days. I have those days all the time. So I'm never here to judge. So it's just a transparent lace due to the fact that I'm not good at doing hair. I'm not professional at it. I'm not even good at doing it. I just do what I do because I'm not about to keep paying people money to do my hair. So I just do what I gotta do, okay? That time you paying to pay somebody, you can be trying that shit on yourself, girl. So this is the lace after when I get done doing that, and I just put it on.
ooh, ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right for your love. Hey, keep breaking necks when you passing them by. Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight, and I will let you make up your mind. But I can't wait. Where you coming over? Let me be your chauffeur, baby. I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur.
And I usually like be pulling the sides down so it can be like flat, so it's not folded anywhere in it as I comb it out. I just like pulling the lace. When you pull the lace and you spray it and just hold it down and spray it and keep holding it down, it looks better. And ladies, it is okay. We are all learning. You don't have to be perfect, okay? We just keep practicing.
Let me bow down. Yeah, I can't recall when you came through that door, yeah. Glowing like a headlight, independent all the way, got her bread right, yeah. Hard to ignore, sexy body make a jaw hit the floor. Won't you come over now? Just let me hold you down. Nothing else matching your type, nothing else matching your type, yeah. Oh, I feel the magic in the air. And when you give me a taste, give me a taste.
You see, I plucked the hair enough where you can still, you can see that it's plucked, okay? I didn't over pluck it. Some of the, so when I'm cutting my lace, so I do like, cut it right here once, cut it right there, cut the tab right there. Ooh, this scissor is not what the doctor ordered, okay? So again, cut it right here. Okay, this is good enough, right? Come closer. Right there. Gonna cut this other one right here. You don't have to do this much, to be honest, but you just need enough room where you can move it around freely without like having to lift the lace up too much.
I swear, when you give me a taste, let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur. I will let you make up your mind, but I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be your chauffeur, baby. I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur. Thought I met you at the wrong time, then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right for your love. Hey, keep breaking necks when you passing them by. Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight.
Ooh, so now that it looks like that, this is what I do, okay? Because I'm dramatic and extra. I don't like straight spraying the edges because I don't know, I feel like be messed up. So I usually put like some of this in here. Call me dramatic if you want. Now go with the tip of my comb. This, dip it in here. I just put it on the edges to melt it.
Ooh, ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right for your love. Hey, keep breaking necks when you passing them by. Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight, and I will let you make up your mind. But I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be your chauffeur. Baby, I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right for your love. Hey, keep breaking necks when you passing them by. Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight, and I will let you make up your mind. But I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be your chauffeur. Baby, I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right for your love. Hey, keep breaking necks when you passing them by. Make sure
I want to be a millionaire. So freaking bad. Buying all the things I never had.
sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight, and I will let you make up your mind. But I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be your chauffeur. Baby, I will keep on calling you love.
So that was the video of how I got this hair. So if you watch to the end, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Okay? This is our channel. Stay here with me, okay? We are here forever, okay? You're not leaving me. I'm not leaving you. We are in this together. We are stuck together. Yeah, that's the relationship we're in. In here forever, okay? You gotta love me, okay? Come on this channel and be like, baby, we're looking cute.
Beats.